Welcome to the Infrared Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap on the sounds and vibration. After that we can see here the ring volume panel, and just to change the ringtone volume we should hold and swipe to the left or the right side this blue dot. Also we can make it by the second way, just we should press up or down volume button and then tap here to these three dots, and after that we should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side this volume panel by the same way, and then just tap here to done to save the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.